Hello students, now in the retirement of a partner, we have already started calculating gaining ratio and new P&L ratio, right? So in that we have done sum number 1, 2, 3 from the exercise. Now we saw sum number 4 from the exercise. Question number 3, in that sum number 4, now this sum I have taken from the textbook only. So let's read the sum first of all. That M and O are the partners sharing P&L in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their old ratio is 3:2:1. M retires from the business. M is retiring, so now remaining partner is N and O. N is acquiring 1/10 share, 1/10 from M's share, and balance is obtained by C. Means, for example, if M, here it is said that N is acquiring 1/10 from M share, मतलब कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल M इज रिटायरिंग, उसके पास 100 रुपीज़ है. अगर हम बोले कि 100 में से 1/2 जो है वो N ले लेगा ये, तो O को क्या मिलेगा? तो O को बाकी का इसमें से 100 इंटू 1/2 में से जो भी बचा वो O को मिलेगा, राइट? सो सेम वे हियर इट इज सेड that the M acquires 1/10 share from M. So N's gaining share, that is 1/10. So now we find out remaining share for O. So N, for that we write down one formula, that is M's share minus N's share. So M's share, that is 3/6, N's share, that is 1/2. So now after 3/6 में से 1/2 लेस करेंगे, सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 24/60. So O's gain, that is 24/60, right? So now gain, N's gain, to make the denominator equal of N and O, we multiply N's gain with the 6. So multiply by 6/6 or 6/20. So now gain comes 6:24. To make it more shorter, 6:24 को 1:4 कर दिया, right? Okay. Now we find out new ratio. Formula for the new ratio is equals to old ratio plus gain. So now old ratio is 2:1 only. So 2/6 plus 6/60. सिंप्लीफाई किया तो आया 26/60. नाउ यू नो हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस 2/6 plus 6/60. For the O, old ratio, that is 1/6. Gaining ratio, that is 24/60. सिंप्लीफाई किया तो आया 34/60. So new ratio becomes 26:34. So make it more shorter, 13:17. Right, so this is how we can solve the sum. Now sum number 5, this is also from the textbook, right? I have written the sum, so let's read the sum. C, B and D are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:5:3. Their old ratio is 4:5:3. D retires and his share is taken up by C and B in the ratio of 2:1. Right? Now see, read this sentence again, that D retires. Now D is retiring and his share is taken up by C and B in the ratio of 2:1. That means, for example, अगर D को हमें 100 रुपीज़ देना है, 100 रुपीज़, फॉर एग्जाम्पल D के पास 100 रुपीज़ है. So this 100 rupees is to be distributed between 2:1 in between this C and D. Are you understanding what I am telling? ये सेंटेंस का मतलब है कि D retires and his share is taken up by C and B in the ratio of 2:1. That means अगर D के पास 100 रुपीज़ है तो वो 100 रुपीज़ 2:1 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, राइट? ओके. So now here we write down formula for the gain. ये remaining share of the remaining partner, that means remaining नहीं, here retiring partner आएगा. share of the retiring partner. Share of the retiring partner multiplied by share of gaining ratio, right? Now retiring partner share, that is 3/12, and ये 3/12 को 2/3 में 2:1 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो ये 3/12 जो है 3/12 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 2:1 में, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व दिस. सो 3/12 इंटू ये 3/12 इंटू 2/3 कम्स 6/36. बी का 3/12 इंटू 1/3 कम्स 3/36, राइट? ये आ गया. सो नाउ गेनिंग रेशियो इज, दिस इज आवर गेनिंग रेशियो, that is 6/36 is to 3/36 is equals to 6:3. So now to make it more shorter, it becomes 2:1, right? Okay, now we find out new ratio, that is old ratio plus gain. So now old ratio is 4:5, not 4/5. So for C, 4/12 plus gaining ratio 6/36, so comes 18/36. Now for B, 5/12 plus gaining ratio 3/36 comes 18/36. So new ratio comes 18:80, that is 1:1. So this is how we can calculate gaining ratio and new ratio. As same as the admission in the retirement, also all the short sums are come in the full sum. So do the practice of short sums. Then sum number 6 and sum number 7 both are in homework. So now because both are easy sums, I have already solved that. You can also solve that, right? Both are easy sums. So now let's solve sum number 8. Now sum I have already written. M and O, P are the partner sharing P&L in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their old ratio is 5:3:2. N and P, 2 persons are retiring from the business, right? Now the most important line, N's share, this one, ये जो मैंने अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है वहाँ से पढ़े. N's शेयर इज अक्वायर्ड बाय O. ये जो रिटायरिंग पार्टनर है अपना शेयर एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर को देंगे. तो यहाँ पे 2 पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहे हैं, तो N जो है वो O को देगा. एंड P's शेयर इज अक्वायर्ड बाय M, और P जो है, और ये जो P है वो M को देगा, राइट? सो दिस इज देयर गेनिंग रेशियो, राइट? उनको रिटायरिंग पार्टनर का शेयर मिल रहा है, दैट मीन्स दैट इज देयर गेनिंग रेशियो. सो गेन ऑफ O, दैट इज 3/12. N का रेशियो मिलेगा, सो 3/12 दैट इज हिज गेन, राइट? 12 कैसे आया? टोटल ऑफ दिस वन इज 12. 5 + 3 + 2 + 2. अब गेन ऑफ M, P का रेशियो कितना है? 2/12. सो दिस इज गेनिंग रेशियो फॉर P. सो गेनिंग रेशियो ऑफ M and Q, that is 2/12 is to 3/12, so it becomes 2:3. Now new share, formula for the new share is equals to old share plus gain, right? So yeah, old share is now 5:2. So 5/12 plus 2/12 comes 7/12. O का भी 2/12 plus 3/12 is equals to 5/12. So now new ratio is equals to 7:5. Now next sum number then 9, 10. Sum number 9 and 10, that is also an easy sum, so that is in homework. Then sum number 11, that is also an easy sum because उसमें new ratio and gaining ratio both are given, तो वो भी homework में, right? Sum number 12, that is not so important, so don't do that. Then sum number 13 now, right? This is sum number 13. A, B, C, D are partners sharing P&L in the ratio of 4:3:1. C retires. After the retirement of C, A will maintain his old profit share. A will maintain his old profit share. Now let's see the working. Now here there are 4 partners, A, B, C, D. सी इज़ रिटायरिंग, राइट. जो भी रिटायर हो रहा है उसके ऊपर बॉक्स कर देने का, बिकॉज पता चले कि कौन रिटायर हो रहा है. तो जब भी हमें ओल्ड रेशियो लेना हो, सो इट बिकम्स ईजी फॉर अस टू टेक ओल्ड रेशियो, राइट. नाउ ए मेंटेन्स ओल्ड रेशियो 4/10. नाउ सी रिटायर हो रहा है तो ए, बी एंड डी इन तीनों को गेन होगा. सी का जो 2/, ये जो 4+3+2+1, तो 10 जो है 10 रेशियो 2/10 रेशियो, ये 4, 3, ये ए, बी एंड डी लेगा. तो ए का है 4/10. तो अभी बाकियों का क्या, बी एंड डी का क्या, तो रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट फॉर बी एंड डी, सो 1 - 4/10, तो बाकियों को मिलेगा 6/10. So now here in this sum, gaining ratio is not given, so old ratio ही gaining ratio, right. Here new ratio, no information, nothing is given, how much they gain, whatever, nothing is given. So here old ratio is gaining ratio. So old ratio is equals to gaining ratio for B and D comes 3:1, right. So now we can calculate new ratio. Now here we cannot apply formula that new minus old, because new ratio is not given. So what do we apply? That is remaining profit multiplied by gaining ratio. Remaining profit multiplied by gaining ratio. So remaining profit, that is 6/10. Gaining ratio is 3/4. ये आ गया 3/4, तो उनका न्यू रेशियो बनेगा 18/40. The sum number 13, that is little bit different. Then D, 6/10 into 1/4 comes 6/40. 4/10 into 4/4 comes 16/40. So new ratio comes 16/40, 18/40, 6/40. So 16:18/6, right. Okay.